Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel Infinky Infopedia. Today, we are diving into the latest from GoPro, the Hero 13 Black and the budget-friendly GoPro Hero. One interesting point of discussion: DJI's action cameras can directly receive wireless microphones, but GoPro requires additional connections. Although you can connect Bluetooth devices like AirPods, the audio quality may drop. The GoPro Hero 13 Black comes with new lenses, including macro and wide-angle options, and auto-detection features. It also includes a magnetic mount, a feature that brings it up to par with competitors like DJI and Insta360. GoPro's CEO describes the Hero 13 Black as a leap forward in action camera technology. It features 4 new interchangeable lens mods, magnetic latch mounting, GPS, and a more powerful battery for extended use and better thermal performance. Let's talk specs now. With the Hero 13 Black, you'll experience up to 40% faster content transfer speeds thanks to the advanced Wi-Fi 6 technology, making it easier than ever to share your adventures in real time. The built-in GPS feature ensures that you can tag and pinpoint your location directly in your footage, adding context to your memories and making it simple to share where your moments took place. This camera captures stunningly detailed footage with its 5.3K video resolution at 120 frames per second, providing crystal-clear images even during fast action scenes. If you need even more speed, it supports 720p at 400 frames per second and 360p at an incredible 900 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing high-speed action with clarity and precision. The redesigned battery now offers a 10% higher capacity, meaning you can shoot longer without worrying about running out of power. It also supports magnetic mounting and charging, which adds a layer of convenience by allowing you to quickly and securely attach the camera to various mounts and charge it effortlessly. In-camera noise reduction, combined with HLG HDR and 10-bit G-Log video, delivers superior video quality with improved color accuracy and reduced noise, ensuring your footage looks professional and vibrant even in challenging lighting conditions. Enhance your shooting versatility with the HB series modular lenses. The ultra-wide lens mod, priced at $99.99, features a remarkable 177-degree field of view, perfect for capturing sweeping landscapes or dynamic action shots with a broad perspective. The macro lens mod, available for $129.99, is ideal for close-up shots, allowing you to focus as close as 4.3 inches to capture intricate details with stunning clarity. The anamorphic lens mod, also $129.99, offers a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio and movie-style lens flaring, providing a dramatic and immersive visual effect for your footage, available in 2025. For those looking for a more compact and budget-friendly option, this model features 4K video at 30 FPS and a 12-megapixel sensor, delivering high-quality video in a smaller package. The built-in Hypersmooth IBIS ensures stable and smooth footage, while the bright f/2.3 aperture enhances your visuals with vibrant colors. The 1.76-inch LCD touchscreen provides easy access to settings and playback, and the macro lens mod in this model focuses as close as 11 centimeters, making it ideal for capturing detailed close-up shots. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is now available for pre-order at $399.99 from the official GoPro site. If you want to get the full set of lenses, the total comes to $757.98. However, GoPro's subscriber program offers a 20% discount on lenses if you purchase directly from their site. That's all about the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Leave a comment below on what you think about the new GoPro Hero 13 Black and which feature excites you the most. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews.